Well, good morning, gentlemen. Thank you for joining us. My name is Brian Wilson. I am the president of WerkMaster, and I'll be working today with Frank Summers. He's our technical trainer and support. Looking forward to taking you through what the BOSS can do. That's the purpose of this demonstration. The BOSS is a very unique machine, and Frank's going to show you the features and benefits of it as we go through it, but it's really 5 machines in one. It allows you to grind concrete. It also is an edger. It also does amazing job on wood decks, wood docks, and hardwood floors of different types. And so what we're going to be demonstrating today is we're going to be doing some edging with the machine and grinding, and then we'll be moving from there over to this area here, and we've intentionally put down a floor that's got wider gaps so that you can see it's wider than a normal wood deck would be, but it's the width of what you'll find on wood docks in many cases. And so we'll see the versatility of being able to go over a wood dock, and then over here we have a hardwood floor, and we'll be doing that as well. And then after that we'll be burnishing concrete. So thanks again. I'm going to turn it over to Frank now.
This is one machine that not only does the edge, but does the field, and it delivers the same results. One of the biggest challenges in any refinishing work is just that. We call it edge fusion. So basically, you're going to get the same results using the same tools along the edge as well as the field. Really important when you're doing hardwood decks or any type of wood refinishing. So to start off with, this is the machine. There's a close-up of the machine here in the screen here. We've set up a camera, so you can see the bottom of the machine. This machine is 110 volts, so you can just plug this into any 110 socket. One of the real key benefits of this machine as well is that it has a variable frequency drive. So it prevents your breakers from popping, but it also gives you a massive range of speed, between 450 pad speed right up to 1100. So if you're doing surface prep, you're going to work in that lower range, and then you just simply turn up the dial when you want more speed for like polishing, wood decks, that sort of thing. But you get that. You're not getting just a one, plug it in one speed. That really narrows off the versatility of the machine. So I'll just quickly do a quick anatomy here of the machine. This is very different from all the single heads or planetary design machines as well. What we do here is that we're spinning 6 heads. The outside plates spin in a clockwise rotation, and the inside plates spin in a counterclockwise rotation. So that gives you 2 things. That gives you tremendous cutting speed throughout the entire deck. So you're cutting always in the middle, you're always flattening the floor. But what that does as well is because it's counter-rotating, the machine isn't pulling. So it effortlessly glides across the floor. Really important if you're working around, say, a deck or a dock. The machine isn't going to pull and all of a sudden take off on you, or a swimming pool. So it's from a rental perspective, it is a very safe and a very easy machine to use. So that is the technology. Everything on this machine is put on and off by hands. You don't need any tools. A lot of machines out there, you have to either tap it off or you need a screwdriver or some type of tool. We call this plug and go. So basically, everything just pops on and pops off. That's it. You want to put your tools on or you want to change your tools, you change your tools and you just plug it in. In the rental world, we've created our concrete prep tools as just one solid piece. So there's no tools to even put on that plate. You just send it out with 6 of these, and that's it. The tooling on this, on the BOSS here is a 16 grit, which is capable of a CSP of 3. So that's gonna cover off all your garage floors, your coatings, bonding, and all that sort of thing. So very, very versatile. To put the tool on, you simply just plug it in. And that's it. You're off to the races. So yeah, I'll demonstrate the machine in operation. The machine does come apart in 3 pieces, and at the end of the presentation, we will demonstrate that. So what that means is that this all separates. So if your customer is coming in a car, you can easily load this into a car. And again, it's 110. You just plug it into the wall and you're off to the races. Adjustable handle here. I've got it set up with this little bungee here, so I'm managing my power cord and my vacuum cord. So again, very easy. Safety, you have to engage the switch and pull the handle, so you can't accidentally just turn the handle on and start the machine. Grinding is very easy. Set your speed here to about the midpoint. Push the small button and the lever. And now you're grinding. You'll see it get right up to the edge. One hand, effortlessly glide. If you happen to step away from the machine and release a handle, it's just going to turn off. So it does really, it's a very safe machine for rental. It's not going to just keep running and do its own things there. So as mentioned there, you're getting the same result in the field and the edge at the same time. The machine will get up to 1/8 of an inch to the wall. Brian now is going to demonstrate the wood. Keep it back there.
So you can see how easy it is to be able to change the tooling as Frank has brought out. We're just going to remove these plates. Now what we're demonstrating here is our TurboRast technology. This is really unique in the industry. This type of tool allows us to remove coatings, whether it's aluminum oxide factory finish coatings. It allows us to do the decks, regardless of what's on the decks. And it allows us to do the first cut. And if you're involved in the wood side of the business, if you're trying to remove aluminum oxide coating, as you know, with a belt sander, you typically are going to start at an 80 grit, then you're going to go down to a 24 grit, back up to a 36, up to a 50, and then an 80. So basically you're a 4-step process. This will remove and prepare the floor with this one grit, 50-60 grit. And then from there, typically it'll be 2 sandpapers and you're finished, depending on whether you're on maple or whether you're on an oak floor, whatever the case may be. That will determine how many more steps you need to go with the paper. And it also depends a little bit on the product that you're using, the sandpaper that you'll be using. It also does one other thing. It allows us to go over the edge, and it does that on concrete, it does it on stone. So when we're talking about loading docks and stair landings and so on and so forth, you'll see as I go forward here that it'll actually allow me to go out over the edge as well. You an idea just how quickly we can take off this stain. So this stain was put down about a week and a half ago, and if it's a normal wood deck, it would be a lot more drier, it would be blistering and all of that, but you can see how quickly it comes down, and it's at the area now right here where the floor is that we can go to the sandpaper and we're done. So it depends on where the customer wants to go and how high they want to go to. But when we talk about wood, what we also are eliminating here, we're not seeing any stall marks, chatter marks, divots, any of those types of things that happen. It'll deal with cupped and curled wood as well. So it actually flattens the floor. The other advantage of this machine and this technology is it's really truly the only machine that you can put on an engineered hardwood floor with a 1/8 inch layer. And that is an industry where we actually have some of our customers, that's how they make a living. They do engineered hardwood floors because they can, and they can charge a lot more than they would for a normal floor.
What we've found as well in the rental industry is we'll see a customer rent this machine to do a garage. They gain a lot of confidence, and when they see that it's also capable of doing other things, they start trusting the machine. They trust themselves to use the machine, and they trust themselves to do these other projects around your house. It really opens up the amount of rentals that you're going to get for that machine. You know, you don't just have a machine that you rent for concrete grinding. The same machine rents out for wood decks. So that machine's always busy, which is good for a rental scenario. So what I've done here is that I've turned up the speed a little bit, and now this is we guarded the floor after using our polished concrete in a box kit, and now we're just going to give it a quick burnish. So again, same process there. Go ahead. Oh, I guess I could turn the vacuum on. So now, you know, one-handed, and you're buffing your floor. You're getting right to the edge. The urethane dust skirt does a really good job of keeping in the dust. Not sure if you can see that finish there, but it's really taking that guard up to the next level.
We have customers that have bought these machines specifically to do line removal. And that's all they do. One fellow's even attached ride-ons to the back of these to just do line removal in large facilities and that. So when you think about some of the things it can do, and the edging and that, the multiple steps, and as Frank says, once a customer rents this, especially contractors, they get used to having it.
To take it apart, there's just one wire to connect. It's threaded on, so you don't need any tools. It has a guide in there, so you just put it in there, guide it in, and then just turn it. So that's it. The handle comes off. It has 2 pull pins here, like so. And then you just pull your handle out. So that can go in the back of your car. So there's your two pull pins there. And then just to separate this part here, it has thumb screws. So you just undo the thumb screws, like so. This unit here, you just tip it back, and you just lift it out. It's a self-contained unit, so there's no exposed wires. It has an IP rating, so it's actually capable of taking a little bit of water there. And that's it. You put that in your car, you lift this up here, you put that in your car, and it just goes into 3 pieces. So it's very easy to transport and very easy to put back together.
We really do want to take the time to thank you so much for attending.